To remove and install the front lower A-arm on your RZR Trail or Trail S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by loosening the lug nuts while the vehicle is on the ground, but do not remove at this time. Then, safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Once safely elevated, remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then, remove the wheel and set aside. Next, remove and discard the lower ball joint pinch fastener and nut. Then, remove the lower ball joint end from the bearing carrier. A pry bar may be used to help separate the bearing carrier from the ball joint. Use care not to damage the ball joint boot. Next, remove the lower A-arm through bolt fasteners and washers and discard the nuts. Then, remove the lower A-arm from the vehicle. Before continuing, examine the A-arm bushing and pivot tube for wear or damage and replace if needed. Also, inspect the ball joint for any excessive wear or damage and replace if necessary. If replacing, new bushings, pivot tubes, and a ball joint will need to be installed. If reusing, thoroughly clean the arm and pivot tube with a shop rag. Next, align the A-arm with the mounting holes on the chassis. And reinstall the retained fasteners and washers through the front. And secure with new nuts. Then, insert the lower A-arm ball joint end into the bearing carrier. Maneuvering the bearing carrier may help align the ball joint with the carrier. Next, reinstall the retained pinch fastener and secure with a new nut. Then, counterhold the pinch fastener and torque the fastener to specification. Continue by counterholding the A-arm fasteners and torque the fasteners to specification. Then, reinstall the wheel on the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts until fully seated. Next, safely lower the vehicle until the tires begin to touch the ground. This will help keep the wheel in place when torquing. Once lowered, torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.